always hold men. When prudent but plural of man we content. As you drawn us our key spending. Nothing matches of feminine she's and she. So English, I think you all will agree, is the funniest language you ever did see.
Excuse me.
The English language. The what? The English language. The English language, like basketball and other sports, has spread to every corner of the globe. Today, more than 1 billion of people speak in English. A third of humanity. Really? Yes! It is the world's language. The language of the internet, of business, of international flight. The way of global communication and global access to knowledge. It has become the vehicle for hundreds of millions of people.
Bawal ang popcorn dito.
Connect with each other in countless ways. Indeed, English is much more than a language. It is a bridge across borders and cultures. A source of unity in a rapidly changing world. English does not make us all the same, nor should it. For we honor who we distinctly are. Nonetheless, it makes it possible for us to speak to each other, to better understand each other. This is a powerful force, not an sport. Business and trade, but for mutual respect and progress. We, ourselves, have noted the power of the English language to break down barriers of misunderstanding. People unknown to the English language may be held by the private and public sectors working together with broadcasters, telecom companies, publishers, universities, colleges, and schools. Playing their part in opening up the English language.
I-distribute sa teachers pero ibigay mo sa kanila ha. Mamaya.
English is our heritage.
Mamaya.
But it is also becoming the common future of human commerce and communication. This is a measure of the universal environment. But no language that has the power to overcome boundaries and millions of people. English is a language that helps the world know, love, and communicate together.
Ay! Nalagyan yung tiyan niyo. Itapon mo na sa kanila yan. Hindi, sa kanila.